Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Michael Holmes and I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. Today I would like to take you out in the lot and show you one of the new arrivals. Here we have a 2014 BMW 3 Series 328i. It has a clean Carfax report and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors and integrated turn signals and lightly tinted glass. The 2014 3 Series BMW is well-rounded and highly desirable entry-level luxury car. This BMW has 17-inch star spoke alloy wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a tire-specific low tire pressure warning system for your convenience and safety. As you can see, this BMW is in great condition. It has a fully automatic aero composite halogen daytime running lamps with delay off, along with fog lamps, approach lights, speed-sensitive rain-detecting wipers with heated jets and nice chrome grille to tie it all together. Under the hood you have a 4-cylinder 2-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This BMW has rear-wheel drive and is estimated that drivers will receive an impressive 27 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget this BMW has only 26,335 miles on it. At the back of the BMW, you can see the rear shark fin antenna and chrome tip exhaust, along with a large brake lights and sleek badging. Using your key fob, you can open up this trunk for easy access to the cargo area. Looking into the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious. You can even lower the rear seats right from the cargo area for more space as needed. This cargo area features a cargo net and concealed storage with cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this BMW has been very well taken care of. The passengers utilize the fold-down armrest with cup holders and power outlet, as well as the seat back storage. Also, child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabinet is well appointed with nice genuine wood and metal look interior accents. The driver and passenger alike will be very comfortable in their power adjustable heated leather seating. The driver's seat even has a memory feature. You also have a large console for storage with plenty of cup holders and power outlet as well. This BMW is also equipped with a locking glove box and a garage door opener and a push button start. Here are some easy to reach controls for the driver's memory seat: the headlights, interior trunk release, the power side mirrors, the power door locks with auto lock and power window switch 1-up touch and down. This BMW has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped sports steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise control, audio, and Bluetooth features. It also is equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone will enjoy: the tilt and sliding power moonroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia navigation features, and it is paired with a hi-fi sound system. This includes your classic AM, FM, and CD player. It's MP3, satellite radio, and Bluetooth compatible, and for your easily connected external devices using the aux port. This advanced system even includes a speed compensating volume control. You'll also have a dual zone automatic climate controls, and everything you see here is really easy to use. If you have any questions, please give us a call here at Sparks Toyota, 888-272-5869, or visit us again here on the web, sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.